I don't know what I'm doing. Here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a review of the Miss Jessie's multicultural curls. Yep. After literally 10 minutes of trying to find this damn product, the multicultural curls by Miss Jessie J. Miss Jessie J. Miss Jessie. I have multi-textured hair. Like, the back of my hair is like a solid 4A, nice defined coily curls, but from like here up, it's giving 3B to 3C. Like, it's really frustrating finding a product that allows my curls to blend in, you know, and make it appear uniform even though it really isn't. This is my first time using this. I'm hoping that with this it'll work. I have heard many good things about Miss Jessie's line for curly girls hair. I specifically heard that the Pillow Soft curls was particularly good. Like, the people that I've asked, they really like that specific product. But I was gravitated towards this one because it says on here multi-textured curls and mixed heritage textures. So I'm hoping that, you know, as someone with multi-textured hair, this product will be great. If it doesn't work, I'm definitely gonna try the Pillow Soft curls because everyone that I know obsesses over it. So without further ado, let's go wash this head and I'll be right back.
Later.
Alrighty, so many hours later, here's my hair freshly washed. I went ahead and did my treatment mask. All that's done. Only thing we gotta do now is throw in my leave-in conditioner and this. I do use the Jamaican black castor oil line from Shea Moisture. I use the shampoo and conditioner and treatment mask, and my hair likes it. Like, in the past, it's a shampoo and conditioner that my hair does love. Because I do have dandruff though, I switch between the Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner and Head and Shoulders because I have dandruff. So if you are someone with like a scalp that's prone to get kind of dry and like have a decent amount of dandruff, Shea Moisture, at least to me, Shea Moisture isn't a shampoo I would use if you are trying to tackle dandruff and like conditioning your hair really well, or treating your textured hair really well, I should say. All right, leave-in conditioner done. And this is what I was talking about, how kind of the front, you see it's like looser relative to the back. You see that? Yeah. Oh, I love how my hair was cut though. So now here comes the part it's going to take section by section. We have it sectioned. Here we go. You can use this every day. Right. And then I'm just going to apply it. Here's the thing with my hair. And maybe it is. I don't know. I don't know. Here's the thing about my hair and wash-n-gos. The issue is when my hair dries. The second it dries, there's no definition. It's a lion's mane. It just doesn't cooperate. So I'm hoping that with this product, it maintains its curls like after the drying. Like, that's where it gives me the most difficulties when I try to do a wash and go. And I'm probably doing it in the laziest way possible. There's some girls who go strand by strand head ass. No, no. I'm gonna just apply as much product as possible and just brush it out and pray to God that my hair dries and holds its curl. Like, not that that's a bad thing, because it's not. but should I be brushing it? I don't know. I don't know. I'm afraid. You know what? We're just gonna trust the process.
A few moments later.
You know what? We're gonna keep the faith. We're gonna keep the faith. Even though it looks like shit right now, we're gonna keep the faith. You know what, Ryan? Just calm down. Just calm down. We're gonna breathe. We're gonna breathe through it. We're gonna trust that when it dries, it doesn't look like a fucking lion's mane, you know? We are going to trust. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I want a refund.
Eventually.
Okay, so it's all in my hair. I look like, I don't even know. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure yet. But we're just gonna let it dry and hope that, again, it wasn't a waste of money. So when it dries, I'll be back. Okay, so my hair for the most part is dry. I have mixed feelings about it. I'm gonna pick it out. I'm thinking maybe that picking it out will help. We're just gonna pick it out. I will say, I do think that the curls are defined. Like I said, I've never had a successful wash and go, so I'm not sure how it's supposed to look. I'm just gonna keep picking it out until it looks somewhat decent. I don't know. Let's just keep picking it out and pray. Okay, so I don't know. I have mixed feelings. You know what? Wait, hold on. Let's put some earrings in. Let's really cute it up, you know? Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Wait, it's giving Foxy Brown kind of. Let me shut the fuck up, actually. Wait, I kind of like it, y'all. Because you can see, like, the curls are there. As you can see. Hope you guys can see, you know, the curls on each side. Yes, my closet looks like shit. I'm not mad, though. I'm pretty sure once I stretch it out over the next couple of days, it'll get even bigger. And that was my thing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure once I stretch it out over the next couple of days, it'll get even more gorge. Okay, wait a minute. Would I use it again? Probably. I would probably use this again. I will definitely try the Pillow Soft Curls one next, just to see how that product compares to this one. This is the result. Again, considering I'm not a pro at wash-n-gos at all. I wear my hair curly all the time, but I can curl it. I never really, you know, use a product, leave it in my hair, let my hair dry, and then boom, my hair is looking fabulous. No, like that has never happened. This is the first time where it looks even remotely good. I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please leave tips. Bitch, I don't know what I'm doing. So leave tips. Let me know if you guys like it, what products you guys use. Hit the like button, subscribe. And I'd say this was a success. I'll catch y'all in the next video.